In a world of endless possibilities, every great change begins with a single step. A step that opens the door to something extraordinary.
But where does the change start?
From the first spark of fire came food, shelter, and clothing. Every new discovery opened a new world of knowledge.
Risk is part of the game.
We build what others only imagine.
Every question asked, every observation made, every experiment conducted introduces us to infinite possibilities.
Answers are everywhere. You just have to look closer.
Movement is a language.
Justice is worth the fight.
Got it!
Learning thrives beyond classrooms, in the spaces where we connect, collaborate, and find our people.
Every flavor tells a story.
Every page turned brings clarity, focus, and perspective.
Here, we find our calm.
For decades, Christ has nurtured generations, ready to lead, ready to serve, and ready to transform.
As voices rise, momentum builds, and together, we shape our future.
The game ends, the growth doesn't.
At Christ, every idea finds a home, marching towards a greater future. Christ University, nurturing generations for tomorrow.